Not well. I've never been pulled over. I don't know about my colleagues, but it's possible. In Toronto, this one driving instructor got caught up in some traffic on the 401, and she used one of those U-turn places there for emergency vehicles only. The public, because we're not allowed to use those. But she did anyway with her student. She got her student to do the UE through there and got caught right by the police, the OPP, and lost her driver's license, or driving instructor's license.
That sucks.
It was plastered all over the news too. Driving instructor with a student. But there's no excuses for driving instructors. We know better. We should know better.
Yeah.
At the Tim Hortons up ahead, that's where we're going to turn. We're going to make a left there. Still got a little ways to go.
Don't let that car pass me, then I'll make a lane change.
Yeah. The lane that you get into here at the before the Timmies, that's a deceleration lane. It's long enough. It allows you to get into it and slow down, so you don't have to slow down in this lane. Right on. Have you ever turned left here?
Yeah.
Okay. Very nice. Now, after going 80 for a bit, there might feel real slow to go 50 here.
Haven't been here in a while.
Yeah.
My dad was like over there.
Yeah.
Right side of the highway, so we don't really turn into here.
Oh, okay. So he lives near the
Casino.
The casino.
Yeah.
I wish they still had the horse racing there.
They used to have that back in the day.
Yeah. They got rid of it maybe about, I don't know, 8 years, 9 years, 10 years ago. So you're not going to have any problems with your highway driving or your speed management or anything. Quiet little town here.
Oh yeah.
Now they're putting a Christmas tree up at the bus stop. Right on. And we're going to turn right at this intersection up here. No, so you got a yield sign here for you. Yep. And then we're going to turn right at the lights.
Yeah, see my dad's house, just keep going straight.
Is that right? Yeah. Got some nice houses down there.
I don't like the location though.
No?
Not
That's
a big
too far
fan
out,
of
eh?
the
closer to that curb. And then once you decide to go, all that traffic is already going 80, maybe 90, 100. Going from a minor road to a major road. So once you complete your right turn, then you gradually get your speed up as quickly to the speed limit as you can. The more traffic, the more you wait. Yeah, it's nice. Good acceleration. This highway's a lot safer now that it's 4-lane.
Oh yeah, before it was. Now it's 4-lane all the way up to like Damiens.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I think it's back to 2 lanes just after Chelmsford.
Yeah, getting into
Dowling. Rumble strips here on the right, also in the middle on the yellow line.
Someone's sleepy.
Yeah. My dog likes those.
Yeah.
I'll hit it on purpose, see his ears go up, you know. Road signs here are funny. The moose sign with the it says like, what is it, 5 kilometers? You think the moose knows that? There was this lady who called a radio show in the States one time complaining that she had hit a deer, that there was no sign around. And I'm like, come on, lady. She was serious. She was like totally serious about it. She wanted to sue the city for not having a sign there warning her that there might be deer crossing. Like, really?
People sue for anything in the States.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. And most of the time they get away with it, dude.
Yeah.
They get what they want. They have a weird justice system out there. It won't take long to get your following distance here. She's going a bit faster than us. I'd say about here is probably about 6 seconds now. That's what it should look like. At this speed anyway, at 80. I'll start counting when she reaches the yellow sign. 1001, 1002, 1003, 4, 1005, 1006 or more, so that's perfect. You know what this sign is here at the beginning of the guardrail? The green over white?
Not too sure.
And then
reflective, right?
Yeah, it's reflective. At the end of the guardrail, the sign is white over green. It's completely irrelevant for you, because you're not a snowplow driver. So the snowplows, when they're plowing the shoulders, if they don't see the guardrails because they're covered in snow, they see the signs popping out, so they know when to raise their blade and when to lower it again. Bit of trivia.
Snowplows are scary.
Yeah, I got caught behind 2 of them there on my way back from the airport in Toronto. It's on my way back to Sudbury. Took me, 7 hours to get back, man.
They didn't let you pass?
No, they didn't let anybody pass. And it was a major, major snowstorm, so it was actually much safer to follow them anyway.
Yeah.
But man, was I tired by the time I got home. Our flight was canceled back to Sudbury, so I had to rent a vehicle.
Was it canceled because of the snowstorm?
Yeah. With no, they didn't know when we'd be able to get out of the airport again. So instead of waiting there, waiting, decided to drive back.
How does that happen when you rent a car? Do they come pick it back up?
No, it's like so at the airport they have different companies that rent out, like Econo or whatever, budget, and so you just drop it off at the office over here in Sudbury.
Oh, okay.
They go back and forth. Wintertime you might find black ice like between the rock cuts and high tree lines like this. Anything that blocks the sun. Have you ever seen black ice?
Yeah.
I've never seen black ice in my life.
No?
No. Never gone to a pop machine for ice. Got black ice on it. It's transparent, right? It just shows the road. So a lot of times you don't even see it. It's like you're already on it by the time you realize there's black ice. You might feel like the rug is getting pulled out from under your wheels. In that case, you're just waiting